Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos related with apps like Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and many more other apps. So if you also want to get updated or get notified once a new videos just like this is released, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat filter not working. So basically, this problem occurs when you're trying to use the filter of your Snapchat and you just try to open that filter and it doesn't open up. Just for basic knowledge, if you don't know how to use Snapchat filter, you can just open your Snapchat and your Snapchat camera is gonna be open by default. What you can do is click on that smiley icon right beside your big circle at the bottom. Once you click on it, all of your filter is gonna be shown over here. You can slide your filter from right to left and choose whichever filter you want and basically use it. All right, but let's say your filter is not working or it's not showing up over here. What you can do is, before that, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. All right, you can click on that profile picture looking icon at the top left corner of your screen right beside that search icon. Once you come over here, click on that setting icon at the top right corner. Once you come on the settings, scroll all the way down and there should be a clear cache button. You can click on clear cache, click on clear. Your Snapchat cache is going to be cleared and it's basically going to close and you need to open it again and your filter should start to work. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is go on your phone setting, and on your phone setting you want to go in general and you want to go on iPhone storage, and over here you want to find Snapchat. Mine's right below Reddit. Click on Snapchat, click on offload app, click on offload app. Your Snapchat is gonna offload. Wait for some time until it's complete. Now click on reinstall app on your Snapchat so it start to reinstall and it should basically work after doing this. If it still doesn't work, you just delete your Snapchat, reinstall it again, and it should probably work. So that's how we guys can fix a Snapchat filter not working. So if you guys found our video helpful, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. Bye bye until then.